this video. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I've been obviously just making videos about bikes, and while that's all well and good and that's the main thing I'm interested in, I thought I'd just change it up a little bit, because there's a hobby that I've got that I've kind of kept on the QT, on the quiet, but I'm kind of into, not in an extreme way, but urban exploring. So today I found out about a basically an old school that's abandoned but in, it seems like, perfect condition, and it's a very weird school. It looks like a church almost. It's really kind of gothic and strange looking from, well, I could only tell that from Google Earth. But yeah, I'm gonna go and check it out because it's in my town, not too far away from where I live. So yeah, I'm gonna go and fly the drone above it, see what it looks like, and then from the pictures I could tell from Google Earth it is chained off and it looks to be locked. But I'm just going to see if there's any way to get into it really and have a bit of an explore. So it's about 15 minutes, it's like 10 kilometers away, so let's go and check it out. It's amazing how there's so many temples that I've never even seen or heard of before. Oh, they got a shop here as well, selling these. They sell all these like good luck charms and stuff like that. I'll show you what they're called. I think it's called Awamori. So yeah, there's all sorts of different ones for sale. The more popular ones are the ones that you can put in your car, like on your keyring or something, to protect you from accidents. I think that's a rice spoon, not sure what that's for exactly. But yeah. So I'll show you as well what you're supposed to do when you come in. But because of the bloody coronavirus, you're not allowed to do it anymore. So here's a little example. This thing, these cups that are here, that should be here now but they're not because of Corona-chan. Well, basically you're supposed to scoop the water and wash your hands from the water before you go into the temple or shrine, but obviously we can't do that now. Bloody Corona-chan. So what do we got over here? This is something that they like to do as well. You can write, these ones are not the same I don't think, but you can write something on them. So something that you want to achieve, or maybe something that you want to say sorry for, or you want to have a good relationship, or anything really, things that you want or things that you want to apologize for. So you write them and then you fold them, tie them onto these things, and then the actual priest or the monk, whatever you want to call them, will burn them. There's like a ritual where they burn everything. So there's lots of burning that goes on here. They don't really bury people either. Everyone who dies is cremated here. So yeah, here as well they're even saying mask. What's written there in the middle, it says mask, so you have to wear a mask. I'm wearing a helmet, so I think that counts. Yeah, pretty cool temple or shrine. Never know what the difference is. That's saying something about your feet. Maybe take your shoes off. Yeah, you can get one for bikes as well. So that's onamai, so your name, and then shattai bango, so you can put your bike's number. So maybe a number plate or your VIN number as a sort of a good luck charm. Anyway, let's go and check out this abandoned school. Alright, so it doesn't say no trespassing. What it does say is like Anzen something, so like be careful. So there's no warning sign saying don't go in, but actually inside I probably won't unless it's open. Oh, looks like maybe they're doing something in there. Yeah, let's have a walk around the outside anyway. Bloody hell, it's overgrown. So that's... Let's have a walk around the other side and see if there's any way of actually getting in. Again, there's no trespassing thing. Oh, it's locked. Well, at least we can walk around the outside anyway. Nope. Oh, that must be the assembly hall. Stick my face right up to the mirror, the window. Interesting, there's a floor up there as well. Very weird. Yeah, and I guess this is as far as we're going to get without getting in trouble. And as I've been arrested twice in the past 2 years, I don't think it's a good idea to get arrested again. Maybe this is a night mission. I'll have to do some research and find out what it is. Obviously it was a school, but it's kind of a weird looking school. The location is kind of weird too. That's locked, isn't it? Yep. See, urban exploring is all good and well, but I don't want to do shit like breaking into something, because then you're asking for trouble, right? If there was like a door that was unlocked or something, then maybe. Oh, this is sealed as well, silicon, sealed with silicon. Wonder why. Obviously there was no door there. Anyway, as this is my first attempt at urban exploring, I think we'll end it there. I don't want to get arrested. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that little tour of this abandoned school in Japan. And yeah, let's get going before some busybody calls the cops. And yes, you can just leave your key and your camera on your bike in Japan. Alright guys, so that was my first attempt at some urban exploring. Like I said, I don't want to do anything illegal like breaking into a place. So for now, basically we only saw the outside and a couple of cool drone shots, but I'm going to continue looking for cool places to go and explore. And the other thing I want to do is abandoned cars and bikes, because I know where there's a really cool bike that's just abandoned. So that will be another video that I'll do this week. Probably won't be able to edit it in time, so that'll be on the channel next week. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button, bell even, notification bell. And as always, smash the fuck out of that like button. Goodbye for now.